Nowadays, video doorbells are gaining popularity as they provide at-home security, peace of mind, and the convenience of communicating with guests completely remotely through your phone. It is widely known that the market for wireless doorbell cameras with monitors is crowded. Choosing the best one can be a challenging task. However, if you're looking for the best value for your money, these two options are really hard to beat. Introducing the J7 and J9 video doorbells from XTU. And they're both available at a bargain price of less than £60 each. As an average consumer, you may wonder what features these doorbells offer and if it's worth paying more for a higher end option. Well, we will certainly explore these questions, but first, let's unbox these guys and get them up and running. So when it comes to the unboxing experience of both these devices, it is worth noting they are both rather similar. In the box you get the video doorbell, a USB cable, user guide, indoor wireless chime boxes, a set of basic tools, along with wires, nuts and cables. Now what really sets these two apart is mainly the video resolution. The X2 J7 features a native resolution of 2560 by 1440p, while the J9 wireless video doorbell, which is slightly cheaper, has a resolution of 1080p. Although these differences may not be significant in the bigger picture, the prices of the two devices do not vary much. So let's get these both set up and running. To ensure optimal performance, it is advisable to fully charge the device using the provided cables before its first use. We will discuss battery life in a bit more detail later on in the video. The process of connecting the pair is quite straightforward. All you need to do is download the Cloud Edge app from either the Google Play or Apple Store depending on your device. After signing up and accessing the main hub, you can proceed to add the device. The adding process for both will require us to simply scan the QR code provided on our mobile up against the doorbell camera. After a couple of minutes, it should instantly connect, and that's it. We should be fully connected and up and running on both. It is a really easy setup procedure. Installing these on your property has become easier with the help of the internal batteries and the minimal need for drilling and expertise. All you need to do is find the location and screw the provided bracket to its designated slot. Once fully installed, we can go ahead and insert our chosen video camera into its bracket. To clamp the video doorbell into place, you only need to tighten the single screw provided located underneath. Both the app setup and installing it to your property are both very easy processes, just providing you with a hassle-free experience and sense of security in your home. The wireless doorbell cameras are made up of high-quality materials and are designed to be waterproof with IP66 ratings. This means that regardless of where you choose to install them, there is no need to worry about weather-related problems or damage that may occur. In terms of battery life, the J7 has a 5700 mAh built-in battery that will give you around 1 to 2 months of usage depending on how often you view it and take advantage of some of the smarter features. The J9 on the other hand has a high-capacity 4800 mAh rechargeable battery, which to be honest can do exactly the same. So, although a slight increase on the J7, it is nothing considerable to really justify that purchase. When the time does come for either one of them to need recharging, you can simply take them out of their brackets and plug them into a USB socket with the cables provided. Now, if the battery is depleted completely or near to the end, we are looking at around 8 to 9 hours for both to be fully recharged, so it is most likely an overnight charge kind of job. So do keep that in mind. They both come with an impressive 166 wide-angle viewing that picks up a hell of a lot of needed footage. As you can see, the difference between the two in terms of picture quality in the day, well, it's not really that considerable. Granted, the J7 takes the crown slightly with its increased pixel density, but you can't deny the picture quality for both is really nice. Within the application, users have the ability to control both cameras and customize settings to fit their individual preference and needs. Both the J7 and J9 models include PIR sensors allowing for immediate alarm and push notification alerts for any detected motion. Even when I'm away from home, I can access the app and view a live feed for both options. This provides peace of mind as I can see who is at my door without having to open it or be physically present. Granted, sometimes there is a slight lag between hitting the live feed or receiving a notification, but on the whole, both have been reliable options. If needed, we can indeed indulge in the ability to use real-time clear two-way audio, so not only can we see the person at the door, but we can communicate with them through the app interface.
Hi, just give me 2 seconds, I'm just getting out the shower.
This can be especially useful when needing to provide additional instructions to a delivery driver and/or guests.
Hi mate, I'm not home. Could you put the parcel near the front door, please?
Both of these options provide the feature to record voice notes in advance, triggered by either motion or button presses. For example, if I'm going to be unavailable for a period and wish to avoid interruptions, I can request a favor from my delivery drivers using this feature, like this. Hi, I'm currently not home for the week. If this is a delivery, can you give all the parcels to one of my neighbours, please? Thank you. This feature will provide you with peace of mind in situations where you're unable to interact with your phone due to a lack of connection or time. Additionally, it will help you avoid missing important deliveries or guests in the future. With both of these options, we have a built-in IR set of lights that can permit you to see clearly even in darkness. Both offer a night vision distance of up to 33 feet. These cameras are capable of capturing high-quality images that can clearly depict faces, number plates, and other important details. The device is equipped with an IR sensor and LED technology that automatically adjusts the lighting to provide a clear and sharp view. For me, both of these have impressive night vision options, even despite their cheap price. When it comes to the storage for the pair, these have two options available. The J7 and J9 can support up to 128GB of microSD storage, or you have the option to use their cloud storage. Now, this is free for 7 days, however, after that there is a monthly fee which will be required. If you are looking for a more affordable option, you probably won't want any additional expenses, and I completely understand that. In my opinion, a local storage option like the SD card meets my needs perfectly. With both options, the oldest video will be automatically overwritten when the storage is full, ensuring that loop recording is always available. The cloud storage option is really only useful if you need to have access to footage from several months back. However, let's be realistic, if something happens that requires investigation, we usually do so within a reasonable time frame. Overall, both of these doorbells have their advantages as a budget-friendly options for individuals who prefer not to pay a significant upfront fee or mandatory monthly payments. For those seeking stress-free options that offer greater peace of mind, these gadgets are a dream come true. With their convenient local storage and effortless setup, they make life easier. With that said, be sure to check out these products in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. As always, till next time.